Welcome to our channel. Today, we're breaking down how you can join the Apple Developer Program for free, step by step, quick and simple. Step 1. Create an Apple ID. If you don't already have one, go to Apple's website and create an Apple ID. Make sure it's verified with your email and phone number. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Apple requires two-factor authentication for all developer accounts. Turn it on in your Apple ID settings to secure your account and access developer tools. Step 3. Sign in to Apple Developer. Visit the Apple Developer website and sign in using your Apple ID. This automatically gives you free access to Apple's basic developer resources. Step 4. Accept the developer agreement. When you sign in for the first time, Apple will show you the Apple Developer Agreement. Read it and click Agree to join the free tier. Step 5. Download Xcode. Optional but recommended. If you're developing for iOS, macOS, watchOS, or tvOS, download Xcode from the Mac App Store. This gives you access to simulators, testing tools, and the ability to run apps on your own devices for free. Step 6. Start using free developer tools. With the free tier, you can test apps on your devices, access documentation, sample code, beta software, and use Xcode features. No paid membership required unless you want to publish apps on the App Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.